Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today by popular demand, you saw this on one of my previous Dollarama hauls and the consensus was that you wanted to see a review on this. So that is why I'm here and I'm here to share that with you. So if you want to see what we're reviewing today, please keep on watching. Okay, so what we're reviewing today is the auto-inflatable pillow. And it's a 20 by 12 inches, or if you like centimeters, it's 50.8 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters. This was $4. And it does say here that it's for camping. However, my intent to use this for is for the beach, on top of the beach towels when you're baking in the sun. I know, that's not good for you. Trust me, I won't be there very long. I can only take the sun for so long. But when I'm lying down, I want my head to be nice and comfy. So that's my intention. There is a seal right there, and you roll to expel air and reseal. So roll to expel air and reseal. So it comes in this nice bag to keep it protected when not in use. They had two different colors from my understanding. So they had this charcoal gray and they also had navy blue. I opted for the gray. Does it actually say? It feels like it's like a nylon material. Does it say? I don't think so. So let's go ahead and see how it looks like. So you just go ahead and clamp that together and release. It looks like a little mini sleeping bag. Okay, so let's remove this out of its little bag. I'm going to remove this tag as well, just so it's a little bit easier. Okay, and we can just release it completely. Okay, so I thought, well, the outer packaging is gray, but when you look inside, it's green. I'm not sure if they're all like that. So for me, thumbs down, because I thought I was buying a gray pillow and not a green one. Actually, I have two. So I bought one for myself and one for hubby. Let's see if the other one is green as well. Okay, that's disappointing. Okay, interesting fact. So you may want to check these because this one's green. Now, when I open this one up, it's navy blue. So they're not matching, which, okay, I'm disappointed. So the little bag that it comes with is not necessarily the color of your pillows. So tip number one, slightly open it to see what you're getting. So let's remove this. I'm really upset that it's this green. I mean, army green is nice, but I was hoping it was the gray. And now they're not matching. I know, I'm a matchy-matchy person. Oh well. Okay, so it comes with these Velcro ties to keep everything together. And you release that. So it comes completely off. So you put that aside. I guess you can tuck those away in the little bag when not in use. Okay, I'm really disappointed that it's green. Okay. So let's take that out of the way. So we have this green, which I guess for camping is good, but I'm not going to be camping. Okay. So it's very soft. So what does it say for you to do? So you have to, okay. So is that all you have to do, is you release that and it'll fill up? I'm wondering. Okay, so you just open the valve and it looks like it's inflating. You can see there. Let's see what happens. Can you see it rising? Is that all you have to do? Inflate. Yeah, it's rising all right. But it's rising. Maybe if you open it all the way. I thought you actually had to like blow into it like a balloon. And I guess to release the air, like they mentioned, it rolls. You roll it. Now, I don't know if it inflates all the way. Do we leave it for a while? Do we play with it to maybe help it inflate? Yeah, I can see it slowly inflating. If you're impatient like I am here in the valve, I would imagine you can actually blow into it, which is what I'm going to try to do, see if it will speed up the process. Okay, so that seemed to work. It literally, you only had to blow into it a few times and then twist the release valve the other way and it'll keep the air in place. I don't hear any leaks yet, but you can see that it is nice and full, and you can see that maybe it's a little too full, too firm. Personally, I would probably want it a little less firm. So all you would have to do is twist that release. And can you hear that? The air slowly releases. Not slowly, it's pretty quick. Watch, listen. And then now it's a little bit less firm, still firm. So depending on how you like it. And now a little bit less firm, but this is perfect. It's like, it is like that nylon waterproof material. But you know what? It is very, very nice for, be it camping, for the beach. I think this is well worth it. And the fact that it's easy to travel. So let's go ahead and release this entirely. And I'm slowly putting some pressure just to release it. And I'm thinking you can personalize these too if you really wanted to. I'm all about personalizing now. So now you can see that you have to put a little bit more pressure to release it. And I guess that's when they say roll to expel air and reseal. So you would have to roll it, there we go, in order to remove the additional air. You just roll it, tie it with your Velcro, and just, when not in use, put it back in its carrying bag. I haven't released it all, but you get the idea. You can see it, you can hear it still releasing. So, I mean, based on first impressions, definitely a thumbs up in terms of the use of it. Now, it's a different story when you actually start using it with the elements, the sun, the water. If you're camping, you know, there might be twigs, rocks, whether it would withstand the elements. That's a different story. So that's maybe a future video, a follow-up video that I'll let you know. But right now, I do love the idea. I love the concept that it's easy to travel with. What I don't like, however, is that it is misleading. I personally thought, now comment down below, would you think the same thing? That the pillow would match its carrying case? Maybe it's just me, but I'm pretty sure that these two should match. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents. But if you're in the lookout for a travel beach camping pillow, I would definitely keep this in mind. Again, super duper easy to carry. Let me know down below if you've purchased this one and have you used it and do you like it? So again, thank you so much for watching. I know a lot of you like these types of videos, so I will keep making them. Just, you know, anytime I have a haul, let me know down below if you want a certain item reviewed, because I would love to do it. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.